Hi, my name is Freddy Castillo and this is the second of 5 videos for the subject Pasantías Preprofesionales y de Vinculación con la Comunidad number 2. In the second video, the students are going to learn the use of present tenses and how to apply them in their daily life. Let's start with the objectives for the lesson. First, the students will be able to recognize ways to stay healthy. Second, the students will be able to say what their diet is and what they are doing to stay in shape. They are going to use the simple present and present continuous. Students will be able to differentiate healthy lifestyles. And students will be able to write questions and answers about health using present tenses. For this class, being used taking into account like the communicative approach and strategies such as seating arrangement will facilitate the participation of the students and, most important, the consolidation of the knowledge. Seating arrangement for this class is a shoe horse. With a shoe horse, it's good because the students will not feel so stressed as if they are in a regular class, so it would ease the work for the teacher and and it will increase the participation of the students. The class, they will have to use flashcards throughout the lesson. First, to introduce vocabulary. They will be pasted on the wall so the students can see them and use them at any time they want. Over here there is a picture of students not in a show horse, but they are in a show horse in the class, and the activity for them to do is to look at their student's book. They are going to look at the student's book and they have some discussion questions. So the partner next to them and they are going to discuss. They are going to discuss the questions that are there, and after they discuss the questions, they will go. This will be like the engagement part. After the engagement part comes the study part. This will be in. We'll stop the activity and we'll explain the use of simple tenses, continuous tenses in the present. The students will understand, they will rehearse, practice, model, do some exercise, well, in that study part. After they done the study part, the students will take a break. This will be like the transition. It's very important that in my class I use transitions so they don't feel too stressed going from one activity to another. A video this half about what do humans need to do or what they need to stay healthy. This video corresponds to the lesson to the second lesson plan, and so we can see the link there. The students, once again, after they worked in pairs, then they pay attention to the grammar, they watch the video, they are going to work in pairs once again, listening to an interview, but this will do it in pairs. Like this is the shoe horse, and this will be the direction of the class for the shoe horse, present tense, right? In that present tense, when they are working, listening, comparing ideas, sharing ideas, it's that the teacher monitors that they are using the language that they are working, that they are um, after they have checked the um, the questions, they are going uh, to ask the same questions from the activity with true information about them. They answer to the questions and then they exchange answers. So they can be ready for the next activity, ask and so they are going to be giving some time, some thinking time, very important. They have visuals all around the classroom for them to remember vocabulary. They saw the grammar, so they know how to use it. They practice it. Now they are applying. They're writing. They're taking some time. After they finish, they exchange with their partners. They exchange with their partners, and they are given some time to work. Obviously, that is being monitored by the teacher. Either they stop, the show horse changed direction. They are going to be asked to work with a different partner. The ones in the corner, they will work together. So every student is going to be working with a different student. The reason why they are going to do this, they are going to practice the third person with the information provided by the previous partner. They are going to practice the conjugation of the third person. Benefit the students. Having the students working in a show horse will give them the opportunity to engage the students, then work on the study and activation of knowledge, and go back to the engagement stage, but with a different partner. Balancing up the three engagement, study, activate elements reminds us of the need for students' engagement. They get a chance for the kind of mental processing that makes all the learning and acquisition worthwhile.